Hello, everyone. Welcome to Neely's Kitchen. Today we are in Vineyard. It's a foggy morning day out in Vineyard.
ചുരത്തിലേക്ക് പോവാ അല്ലേ?
Yep.
So
Soon we are going to see some monkeys, which is actually pretty cool.
you get to see a lot of monkeys over there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, അതാണ് ചുരം. See the monkeys.
Yep, and there were some monkeys, and there were like a baby monkey and two others.
Okay, hope you all like the video.
Hope you like, share, and subscribe.
Bye.